little greenery pot that I have, and I need to add some color. So I have this bag of foam roses, and I'm going to add it to this little greenery just to give it some pizzazz. So I'm just tucking in here. You don't have to do anything. Just tucking, because there is these leaves, they kind of hold everything in. So basically that's what I'm gonna do with the whole little tree. So I will return once I got them all tucked in. Okay, so I have added my roses. Looks pretty good. It made a big difference. It looked very boring, and now that I have the red foam roses in there, kind of gives it a really nice color pop. So let's see what I did with these flower pots. So another thing I wanted to show you is I wanted to make a little bow tie with this napkin. Kind of already did it, and that's why it's a little out of shape here. But I took it apart so I could film this, which is going to be difficult with one hand. But I'm going to use this Mackenzie Childs paper napkin, and then I have this clip. As you can see in the back, it's a little clip, and it's a red rose. And I think I got this from the 99-cent store back around Valentine's Day or Christmas. I'm not sure, but I purchased it especially for this table that I'm going to show you. So what I did was I just start this side, maybe this will be easier. So I just folded it like a fan shape, kind of going back and forth. Like I said, it's kind of hard with one hand holding the camera. But basically that's what I did. I just folded it like that, and then I clipped that little flower, and then I'll show you what it looks like. This is how it turns out. So I made like a little bow tie for my table. I like to use the paper napkins because, you know, they're flexible and you can do so much. And these ones are really high quality, so they're really pretty. So let's see, why would I need a bow tie napkin and red roses? Let's see. So for my table, I needed red, and I didn't have a napkin that had red. I didn't have a doily that was red, so I had to end up painting my own. And here is my doily. However, I want to jazz it up a little bit, so I'm going to add, and the color red I used was the Art Deco True Red. And so I just painted my doily, and now I'm gonna just jazz it up. I'm gonna put a little bit of Mod Podge and some glitter just to you know, make it look a little bit better. Okay, so I have finished putting the Mod Podge and the glitter. You know, it's just a basic little doily, but again, I just needed some color on my table, and because I did not have anything red, I just made my own. So let's go see how all of my little projects come together. Now I know that our Alice in Wonderland month is over, but I started working on this and I had to just complete it because I felt like I didn't want all of my efforts to go to waste. So I decided I'm gonna just share this cute little Alice in Wonderland table with you today. So right here in the middle, I have my cute little clock teapot. Found that at the thrift store. I believe it was $3.99. Super cute. And I have an idea that I'm gonna do in just a little bit. I have the lights turned off just so you can see my candles. So I have candle holders flanking either side of my teapot. And then over here, I put this together. This is Alice, and I have her in a bird cage with all of her characters. And then there is my makeover plant that I did. And there is a DIY that I did last year. So I'll just pull out a little bit so you can see. Super cute, some DIY cookies. So I'm gonna turn the lights on so we can get a better look at everything.